Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals, and Rosie Seals is along for the ride. In this episode, we are going to take you on a tour of the Pod Hotel in New York City. This is near Times Square, and the rooms, well, Genie from Aladdin put it best by saying, itty-bitty living space. My dorm room in college was bigger. But hey, the hotel is modern and the room was still pretty nice. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. In New York, there are 4 pod hotels, one on East 39th Street, one on East 51st Street, one in Brooklyn, and this one, which is near Times Square. The deal with these hotels is that they have stripped away all the extras. You won't find a coffee maker, a fridge, or even a closet in these rooms. It keeps prices low, but it does sacrifice comfort. Basically, what's included are safes, hair dryers, soap, shampoo, and conditioner. You can request irons, boards, and kettles. Check-in is at 3 p.m. and checkout is a generous noon. They are small dog friendly for an extra charge. These things are pretty neat. They are iPads that have been hung on the wall. This area outside is pretty cool. Now, one negative is that you have to park across the street in this garage. The hotel only comps for one night, so expect to pay a lot for parking. That would just be super scary. Too scary for me. There's a playground down there. That is so cool. On top of the building. Just gotta put them where you can here. Oh, there's a little garden area. I guess that's H&M's headquarters. I don't know if someone got angry or this was an accident. That was definitely not put there on purpose. It's a spiderweb window. That's a pool over there. There's a lot of greenery in the city and a lot of birds. This is where the restaurant, the Polynesian, is. It was not open on our visit. On those clock-looking things which show which floor each elevator is currently on, there's a question mark and an exclamation point above the highest floor. What mystery is hiding at the top of the building?
Seems a little harsh. Now it's time for a tour of our room, which may remind you of a dorm room. Now my dorm room in college was much bigger. Yep, this is pretty much the room right here. And normally before we do these room tours, we usually, leave our stuff down, but we had to go across the road. That's where the parking garage was. So this is kind of cool. It's a hook for your clothes. Got outlets, got this, got the mirror, got the bathroom in here. Maybe a little pod soap, got a tiny little sink. Interesting toilet setup with the flusher. Some other stuff here. There's the shower. Got these pumps right here with your body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Because most hotels don't let you take shampoo home anymore. It's a way to save the environment. And you can kind of see through this shower. But as you'll see from over here, it doesn't have to be so awkward because people outside can't see in. So that's pretty advantageous. But it's kind of interesting. This is the full bathroom right here. And then you come over here, you got a desk with a kind of 50s color safe. Got some hangers that actually aren't attached, which is rare for a hotel. Normally with a hotel, they attach them and don't want you to take them with you, which I'm sure they don't want you to take them with you here, but still. Got a little clock, got a phone with the hotel on. And now what I find most impressive, and let's fix this, nope. I find most impressive is the view out here. Looky there, you can see there's an H&M building over there. See a bunch of buildings that I don't know what they are because this is my first time in New York. And they got, it's either an apartment building or an office building over there, but based on some of the stuff I'm seeing, it's probably an apartment building. So that is really cool. Let's see if we can get back in there. So yeah, you can see down there and see all the cars. They look tiny. This is the 14th floor. And so now we come to the bed. And this is a bunk bed set. Maximizing the space in here. Got a teeny little TV. And up there you have some HDMI hookups, some USB, and the remote. And I'm not sure what that is. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so now that we're up above, oh, it's a flashlight. That's neat, so you can read in bed. That is really cool. It turns off when you connect it back into that. So yeah, basically the room with a great view outside. Look at all those people down there. They give you this on your door too. You can stick it on the outside, sleeping tightly, or service please. Neat alternative to the hanging things you can normally put on your doorknob. So I just discovered, so all this stuff is up here, the TV, but also down here there's a TV and with another one of those flashlights. So pretty much everybody on the bottom bunk gets the same as the person on the top bunk.
Look at the USB cord.
The HDMI. I wonder if plugging into that HDMI will make it go onto that TV. Because we do have a Roku with us.
Look.
We only have one Roku though. And of course I neglected to talk about one of the most important pieces in a hotel room, the trash can. Okay, here's my first time trying New York water. I've heard it's so good because the pipes are so old and they can't fix them, which kind of makes it sound disgusting, but this is what makes New York pizza taste so good, I've heard. So here we go. A bit lukewarm. It is tasty. Huh. So rusted old pipes make good water. Here's another discovery, courtesy of the Rosie. The windows actually open if you do it right. There we go. You can hear it out there. Look at there. Doesn't open very far, which makes sense. But I'm surprised it opens at all. Ooh.
Oh, I want to come. I'll come look.
I think that's actually a thing in New York. Put your number on top of the vehicle because people could see it from the high rises. Ooh, cool. There's like a little garden down there.
What do you mean? Put your
And
number on top.
look at the DHL truck. It's got its number on top called DHL.
Oh,
That's really
okay.
funny. Cool little garden down there. They've got like a little climbing thing and there's like a little playhouse for kids.
Look at all the birds. I love
And
it.
I love how we're above the birds. The birds don't fly as high as we do. I love that building over there with like the purple and blue streaks. Well, there's a bird flying high over there.
There's
and it's
one
like
way up there, look.
the H&M headquarters is outside of our window. But look at the building looks so tall. It's so much taller than all the other buildings. And that building over there looks like it has Spider-Man spider webs all over it, which is appropriate. We're in New York. Spider-Man lives in New York. And look at the road on that parking garage. It looks really cool. But yeah, that's actually the way out of when we came in through the Lincoln Tunnel. That is the way out of the Lincoln. Through the Lincoln. No, wait, no, I'm wrong. You gotta go further out. Or I'm facing the. I think I'm facing the completely wrong direction for that. So let's get down a little further. So we're on the floor here. And looky there. That is crazy. There goes a bird. Yeah, you can see that bird pretty well. Pigeons, pigeons, and more pigeons. And there's that classic New York honking that you always hear in movies and everything. When we were actually driving down there wasn't too much honking. Maybe it's the time of day. Who knows? There goes a bird. There's even a place where you can set your phone when you're charging it. That's nice. The discoveries just keep on coming. Here we go. Go under here, press the button, and you got lights up there. They utilize like every single inch of the space in here. It's not something you see very often. Normally, staircases in places are very neglected, but they actually painted them in here. That's actually nice. I like it. from our room, now down to ground level.
This is back on that balcony area with the fake grass and chairs. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Would you be willing to stay in a hotel this small? Have you stayed in one smaller than this? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to keep up with future adventures, share with your friends who aren't claustrophobic, and strike the bell icon to be notified of future uploads. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is down below. Even $1 helps. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.